Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia, enable the connection of the International Road Corridor 10 and the Miloš Veliki Highway via the bypass of Belgrade at the Interchange Surčin by opening for traffic the section of the Miloš Veliki Highway from Surčin to Obrenovac on December 19, 2019. With this extremely significant infrastructure project, the connection of this section of the highway with the already built highway from Obrenovac to Preljina was enabled, which created a continuous full profile of the highway, 120 kilometers long from Belgrade to Čačak. Traveling on this modern road is more comfortable, faster and most importantly safer. However, with the construction of the Miloš Veliki Highway section between Belgrade and Obrenovac, which, as we know, is excluded from the toll collection system, the project did not include a single exit or entrance. Therefore, more than 50,000 inhabitants of the municipality of Surčin and Donji Srem did not benefit from the construction of the new highway. Also, the settlement of Jakovo and its industrial zone next to the highway were left without the possibility of connecting to the road network in Serbia. The only route for transit and freight traffic led through the center of the municipality of Surčin. The President of the Republic of Serbia, Aleksandar Vučić, promised the citizens of Jakovo and other Surčin settlements during the opening ceremony of the new Belgrade-Surčin city section on April 1, 2023, that this problem would be solved by the end of the year. The construction of the Jakovo interchange will enable all citizens to access this important road. The center of Surčin will be relieved of transit and freight traffic, congestion will be reduced and the safety of all road users will be increased. That the promise will be fulfilled was confirmed on May 31, 2023, when Annex 3 of the contract on the design and construction of inflow-outflow roads on the State Road First A Category No. 2, Belgrade South Adriatic, for the section Surčin-Obrenovac in Jakovo, at the intersection of Highway E763 with the local road Surčin-Jakovo, was signed in the premises of the municipality of Surčin. The annex was signed by the Minister of Construction, Transport and Infrastructure, Goran Vesić, the Acting Director of the Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia, Zoran Drobnjak, and the Director of the China Communication Construction Company, Yang Dong. As said on the occasion, the interchange Jakovo will be built on the existing junction of the highway and the Surčin-Jakovo local road, and will consist of lateral inflow-outflow ramps that will descend parallel to the highway with a road surface of inflow-outflow ramps of 11,230 square meters. The investor of the construction is the Public Enterprise Roads of Serbia, and the contractor is the China Communication Construction Company. The projected inflow-outflow ramps have a roadway width of 6 meters, of which the one-lane roadway is 3.5 meters wide and the emergency lane is 2.5 meters wide. The width of the road banks is 1.5 meters. Outflow and inflow lanes were built from the direction of Belgrade towards Obrenovac, as well as from the direction of Obrenovac towards Belgrade. The total length of the inflow and outflow ramps is 2,242 meters, namely Arm A, outflow towards Belgrade 520 meters, Arm B, inflow towards Belgrade 470 meters, Arm C, outflow from Belgrade 575 meters, and Arm D, inflow from Belgrade 677 meters. The flexible road construction is designed for heavy loads. In total, there are 3 layers of asphalt, 2 bearing and 1 wearing layer. The level of inflow-outflow roads is designed so that all roads in the embankment have a maximum height of up to 7.3 meters above the natural surface of the terrain. Lanes for deceleration and acceleration of vehicles are built on the part of the emergency lane of the highway profile. The existing 2.5 meter wide emergency lane has been converted into a 3.5 meter wide inflow-outflow lane. Drainage is carried out by an open system. Surface water from asphalt is drained to the newly designed road channels or to the road channel of the highway through banks and embankment slopes. In accordance with the project solution, sealing of the highway channels was carried out in the parts where the inflow and outflow lanes cut them. On part of the route of Arm A and Arm D, the existing concrete tubular culvert was extended by 2,000 mm on both sides. The total extension is 38 meters. Also, at the intersection of the branches with the Jakovo local road, 4 concrete tubular culverts of 500 mm were built. The network of public lighting was built on all 4 branches of the road. Exactly 64 public lighting poles with a height of 10 meters were installed. In addition to power installations, a new telecommunications infrastructure was built at the Jakovo Interchange. The protection and relocation of distribution gas pipeline made of steel pipes 5 168.3 mm under arms A and D, as well as the distribution gas pipeline made of polyethylene pipes D and 63 under arms B and C was carried out. As promised, the interchange was completed before the new year and was open to traffic on December 16, 2023.